This is a video that's going to show you how to get video files and whatever else you want on your phone, that's on your phone, transfer it to your computer so that you can edit it with your own software or upload it, from your computer if that's the way you want to do it. First thing you're going to have to do, and the reason I'm showing you this is because I have a Tracfone. Tracphones, you can't use the USB connector. They've got that shut off. That's what Tracfone does. So what you do, on your Tracfone, you go to Google Play Store. You hit that. And then you have to do a search, of course. And what I did, I just typed in transfer video. Is this showing? Transfer video to computer. And once I did that, there's an app on here, and it's called Mobile to PC File Transfer. There it is. Don't use any of the other ones. Use Mobile to PC File Transfer. Okay, you hit that, you download it, and you install it on your Tracfone. Now, on your computer, you're going to have something called, this is called FT Manager Lite. Okay, so you go to Google. That's the best way to do this. You type that in, you hit it, and it's going to be under the one called Desk Share. You can see it right there. It's called FTP Manager Lite. That's what it's called. FTP Manager Lite. You click that right here up in the very corner, or it might be in this corner. It could be in the other corner. But anyway, it's called FTP Manager Lite. You hit get it free. That sets up a file to be downloaded. And then of course you want to remember where you downloaded it. You hit save. Okay. And that's going to run it and install it. When you bring it up again, this one already has it installed. It says I have already one of these FTP clients. You hit that button, and then of course you're going to want to set it up with your own Wi-Fi. So right there where it says same Wi-Fi network as PC. Okay. Then it's got your ask you for your ID and your password. Once you install that, what you do, okay, there's an image I can transfer. Now, if you want to transfer files from your cell phone to your computer, you just take it like this, and you drag it to whatever folder over here. You're dragging it from here to over here, holding the left mouse button down. And you do that, and then you go down to the bottom and you can see it transferring. It just transferred it. That's really fast. It's way better than fooling around with Bluetooth, because I never get that stuff to work right. It's just the way it is. But anyway, this will show you how to drag a file from your cell phone over to your computer. Anywhere you want to put it, you can put it. At the bottom, it's going to show us doing it, and because I just did it, it says there's already a file with the same name in this location, so I'll just skip that. But anyway, that's the way you do it, and that's the way you get files off your cell phone to your computer. But anyway, the name of this FTP Manager Lite. That's the name of this software for your computer. On your cell phone, you have to download Mobile to PC File Transfer. The only two programs you need to download and install. But anyway, I appreciate you watching, and I hope you'll subscribe. If you have any questions, just put it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.